If you accidentally deleted an Excel worksheet, don't panic. There are a few ways you can try to recover it. First, check your Excel file at the bottom where all the sheet tabs are located. If you deleted a sheet, you might think it's gone forever, but that's not always true. Now, the most important thing is this: check if autosave is turned off in the top left corner. If it is off, you can still recover your file by simply closing Excel without saving. Just click Close, and when it asks, choose Don't Save. This will undo the recent changes, including the deleted worksheet. Now, another method is using Excel's built in recovery tools. Go to the File menu, then click Info. Here you'll see options like Version History or Manage Workbook. From here, you can view previous versions of your file and restore an older version that still had your deleted sheet. You can also check Recover Unsaved Workbooks, which sometimes brings back lost files automatically. And that's it. This is how you can recover a deleted Excel worksheet using simple built in options without any extra tools.